Hello everyone. Welcome to iMobi support channel. If you need to back up your WhatsApp messages, please just try AnyTrans. With simple clicks, you can make it. First, please launch AnyTrans. Then connect your iOS device to the computer via the USB cable. Once your iOS device is recognized, the interface below will display. Please choose Social Messages Manager option. At present, AnyTrans supports backing up WhatsApp, Line and Viber messages. Just take backing up WhatsApp messages for an example. Please select WhatsApp and hit Backup up WhatsApp function. Then click Backup Now button. After that, it will begin to load the device data automatically. Once the data is loaded successfully, you will see the interface below. Then please click Next button. AnyTrans will back up WhatsApp messages at once. During the process, you need to enter the screen password on your iOS device. After that, please click OK button. Once the backing up process completes, you will see Backup Completed interface. Please click View button to locate the backup on computer.